Hello everyone, good morning. So in last class we learned the life in the northern mountains, that is Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh we discussed already. Today we can discuss the features of the state Uttarakhand. Okay, this hill state contains the Gahwal and Kumaon ranges. So in Uttarakhand, one of the hill states contains two mountain ranges, that is Gahwal and Kumaon ranges. Okay, and what is the capital of Uttarakhand? Do you know? Yes, Dehradun is the capital of this state. And we can see what are the important hill stations. Mussoorie in Gahwal and Nainital in Kumaon are the important hill stations in these states. And we can see the slopes of these mountains are covered with a thick forest of pine, oak, deodar and fir trees. We can see slopes of the mountains are covered with a forest, which are the trees found there: pine, oak, deodar and fir trees. Okay, and these forest considered as a home to a variety of birds and animals. We can see variety of birds and animals in this forest. And also there are some tourist places are there in Uttarakhand, which are they: Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath. These places are not only for tourist places but also considered as a religious places also. We can see temples. Some of the religious places are here. Okay, we can see Shiva temple at Kedarnath, etc. Okay, then moving to another state, Sikkim. What is the capital of Sikkim? Gangtok is the capital of this small hill state. Actually, this is a small state, Sikkim. And Sikkim, Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain peak in the world. We learned that Kanchenjunga in Sikkim, this is the third highest mountain peak in the world. And also this state is famous for orchids. Uh, and most of the people are belongs to Lepcha, Bhutia or Nepali tribe. Who is tribal people? Tribal people means they are a group of people who have some common tradition and cultures. Okay, in India, tribal people called Adivasis, and they are generally live near the forest area. Okay, so these tribal people have common culture and traditions. Okay, so they are called tribal people, and we can see the dress pattern of Sikkim. The women of the state traditionally wear long skirt called baku and colorful jewelry made from beads. See, this is the dressing pattern of Sikkim people. Okay, they use jewelries also. Then moving to the next state, that is West Bengal. What is the hill station located in the West Bengal? That is Darjeeling is the hill station situated in the northern part of West Bengal. And West Bengal is famous for tea plantation. It is famous for the tea grown on the slopes of the hills. We can see tea plantations on the slopes of the hills. Okay, this is about West Bengal. So today we learn three states, that is Uttarakhand, Sikkim and West Bengal. Okay, thank you.